guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys this simple art tutorial. I used the Victoria Collection number 7 as the base color. I put matte top coat, of course Valentino Beauty Pure, and I cured it. So now I'm using the Valentino Beauty Pure gel polish number 15, and I'm using a long striper brush for this. So what I like to do is I like to create each line kind of side by side and then use my liner brush with most of the product towards the tip of the brush to fill in. So then you can disperse that product around where you need it to go a little easier. So I'm just kind of perfecting the lines. And the good thing about gel polish is that you can move it around, you can play with it, you can fix any mistakes before you cure it. So that's always easy, and it's always nice to kind of play with and be able to do that whenever you're, doing art and all of that. So basically the design that I wanted to create today is just, I've been seeing a lot of it online. It's kind of like swirls with different colors or even sugaring them. So I decided to sugar it for you guys. So once I finish the design and fill in all the lines to make it even, I'm going to be using this glitter that I got a while back from Live at the Glitter Life. It's a hollow, like clear glitter. So I just go ahead and put the glitter on the gel before we cure. Once we disperse it evenly on the gel, then we're going to go ahead and cure it for about 30 seconds. Once you pull it out of the light, you're going to want to use a little dust brush to remove any excess glitter. And then I went ahead and I chose a little bit darker lavender just to kind of tie in with the other nail. And it is the number 88 gel polish. And I'm just going to create 2 more lines on each side of my design. And, excuse me. Once I fill those in, then I'm going to sugar those as well. So it's a really simple design you can do. I know my clients like it. And it's just really simple to do to kind of get into art and even try it on yourself. If you do recreate this, make sure you tag me on Instagram. I'll be sharing the link for this video as well on there. So yeah, just go ahead and draw those lines side by side and then use your brush to fill in. I did kind of make a little mistake here, but that's okay because we make mistakes, right? So you can just clean it up with a little silicone tool or a brush that is clean. And yeah, just fix it up. I went ahead and dropped the sugar on it, the glitter, cure it, and here's the finished look, you guys. Super easy, super fun. I hope you guys recreate this. If you do, make sure you share it and tag me on Instagram. And I hope you like this video. I'll see you guys soon.